Windows are a crucial part of any home. They provide natural light, ventilation, and help with energy efficiency. However, over time, windows can deteriorate due to weather conditions, age, and general wear and tear. For homeowners in Manassas, understanding when it's time to replace your windows is important to ensure comfort, safety, and cost savings. Below are some key signs that it may be time to replace your windows. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts or air leaks. If you feel a draft around the edges of your windows, even when they're closed, it means that the window seal is broken or the frame is damaged. Drafts can lead to higher energy bills because your HVAC system will have to work harder to maintain the temperature inside your home. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models can help reduce energy loss, keep your home more comfortable, and lower heating and cooling costs. Visible damage or rot. If you notice physical damage to the window frames, sills, or glass, it's a clear sign that they need attention. In areas like Manassas, where humidity and seasonal changes can affect homes, rot can develop in wooden window frames. This not only looks unsightly but can also lead to further structural issues. If the damage is extensive, it's usually more cost-effective to replace the window rather than trying to repair it. Additionally, cracked or broken glass should not be ignored, as it compromises the window's ability to keep the elements out. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close can be a hassle, and they may be a safety hazard in the event of an emergency. Over time, the moving parts of your windows, such as the locks, hinges, and tracks, can wear out or become misaligned. This can cause the window to become stuck or difficult to operate. If you're dealing with stubborn windows that refuse to budge, it may be time to replace them with more modern, easy-to-operate windows. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fog or condensation between the panes of your windows, it's a sign that the seals around the glass have failed. Double or triple pane windows are designed to provide insulation, keeping the interior of your home more comfortable and reducing energy consumption. When the seals fail, the insulating layer between the panes of glass is compromised, leading to condensation buildup and loss of energy efficiency. If this happens, it's a strong indication that your windows should be replaced. Excessive noise from outside. If the sounds from outside your home, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or weather, are louder than they should be, your windows might not be providing enough sound insulation. Modern windows, especially those with multiple layers of glass, are designed to block outside noise and keep your home peaceful. If you're noticing more external noise than usual, it may be time to replace your windows with better soundproof options. High energy bills. A sudden increase in your energy bills could be a sign that your windows are no longer efficient. Older or damaged windows can allow heat to escape in the winter and allow warm air to enter during the summer. If you've tried other methods of reducing energy consumption and your bills are still high, it may be time to consider window replacement. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to better regulate indoor temperatures, which can reduce the load on your heating and cooling systems and lower your overall energy costs. Your windows are outdated. If your windows are decades old, they may be outdated in terms of both style and functionality. Modern windows are designed with better materials, advanced insulating technology, and improved aesthetics. Replacing old windows with newer models can dramatically improve the look of your home, increase its value, and make your living space more comfortable. Increased maintenance costs. Over time, maintaining old windows can become more expensive. If you find yourself constantly repairing or repainting your windows to keep them functional and looking nice, it might be more economical in the long run to invest in replacements. Newer windows are built with low-maintenance materials like vinyl and fiberglass, which require less attention compared to older wooden frames. Conclusion. In Manassas, where weather conditions can vary from hot summers to cold winters, it's important to have windows that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and energy efficient. If you've noticed any of the signs listed above, it's a good idea to consider replacing your windows. Investing in new windows will enhance the comfort of your home, improve energy efficiency, and increase its overall value. Reach out to a professional window replacement company to explore your options and find the perfect solution for your home.